Artificial intelligence, machine learning and cloud technologies have changed the way how we keep a safe and fair parking environment. In the past, I had to walk 20 kilometers a day around the area and chalk mark vehicle tires to keep record. Now I work with PARKMAN, an intelligent suite designed to simplify my job. Drive down these streets, and cameras on my vehicle capture footages to be real-time processed by onboard IoT devices using cognitive services on edge. Deep learning algorithms detects license plates, localizes and enhances the images before sending to Azure Event Grid for further processing, along with other information such as time, camera ID, frame sequence, and GPS, etc. Azure Event Grid archives the event into Azure Blob Storage and calls Azure Function to perform license plate OCR using Azure Cognitive Service, then forwards the text-based event to SAP BTP. REST API on SAP BTP then saves it into HANA Cloud, checks the records of the same vehicle from previous patrols, which might have been submitted by a different ranger, as well as location-based parking rules. If it suspects an offense, a message will be played on the smart car device.
You've got a new text from PARKMAN. Vehicle on the left, Delta Delta November 2nd 1 Julia.
And on head-up display unit powered by a BTP web application. We can also connect with other public services. For example, a blinking message here indicates we found a vehicle Crime Stopper is currently looking for. PARKMAN automatically forwards relevant information to them.
PARKMAN can assist the rangers during their duties through voice activation. With the support of SAP Conversational AI, it communicates with HANA Cloud to fetch parking rules of a given location or log additional incident information. Ask PARKMAN to check the parking rule here.
Alright, here's the test version of PARKMAN. Street parking on the east side of Pittwater Road between Stainton Street and Denison Street is free with a 2-hour limit between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m.
Incidents recorded by IoT devices or on-demand conversational AI are integrated into SAP S/4HANA to supplement core business processes. With IoT data generated so quickly and frequently, a robust data management platform is critical to an organization. PARKMAN utilizes SAP Data Intelligence to automate IoT and business data integration. New incident detected in HANA Cloud triggers data intelligence graphs to ingest records in real time into S/4HANA via OpenAPI.
OpenAPI securely connects and writes data via HTTP into S/4HANA, which handles the calls with REST HTTP handler classes. DI also orchestrates business data out of the S/4HANA system back into HANA Cloud for intelligent processing in BTP.
Lastly, data intelligence applies data validation and completeness rules, ensuring quality records are pushed and bad records are quarantined for regulatory and compliance purposes. For example, only incident records with sufficient photo evidence are pushed into the system. Generated incident in S/4HANA is further managed through an integrated mobile-enabled application incorporating embedded analytical capabilities. We designed PARKMAN to maximize operational efficiency, but we also feel the importance of technology integrity. As part of our belief and commitment to ethical and responsible AI, the final decision is left with human operators. Here we see examples of automatically generated incidents coming through IoT devices. A designated officer is then able to review the incident, drill down into the event details, review the photos, and once evaluated, update the status to confirm or void the incident.
Achieving 40 times improvement of operational efficiency is just the beginning. Moreover, we now own valuable data assets like never before. With them, we can optimize parking resources for the public. But first of all, we use HANA security feature to mask license plate data to protect privacy.
Information collected by the solution can be used by the City Council to better understand driver behavior when it comes to parking. This page contains information about parking duration. Here we can easily see the clusters where drivers park for longer. Here, in the infringements page, we can see in a glimpse where violations are most common. In the occupancy page, cites data about utilization of parking space. We can also visualize a specific area we're interested in and quickly determine the parking rules.
Whew, after 2 weeks of hard work, I think it's time to relax and hit the waves of Manly Beach. Let's see, want to be there by 10 a.m.? Now let's look at the parking options that are in the area. Okay, great. I need unrestricted parking or 2-hour restricted parking, and I want angle parking over parallel parking. Awesome, these are the places I can park. See you there.